Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have SeF6. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. The selenium valence is 6, fluorine atoms are 6. So if you substitute in the formula 6 plus 6 whole divided by 2 gives 12 by 2, which gives 6, and lone pair will be 6 minus 6 equals 0, and H6 means sp3 dehybridization with octahedral shape. So selenium on the center, fluorine atom all in the axial positions, and you have octahedral form. So selenium hexafluoride is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.